Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody's keeping safe and well. This probably won't be too much of a long vlog today, and hopefully it'll help somebody out. But basically it's how to change your shower head, particularly in your Swift Caravan. So we've got a problem, and it may be partly my fault, but when we came out to use the shower first time this year, what I found out, and I'll show you in a minute, is there's basically a hairline crack down the side of the shower head here, and water's leaking out. Now, normally drain down, don't necessarily blow it out all the time, but certainly leave all the taps open, leave it so that water comes out. But I think what has happened is, I suspect there's been a bit of water left in here, and what's happened is it's expanded when it's frozen, it's cracked, and then obviously that's it, and that's it for the head. So I'm going to show you, we'll nip inside and let's have a look at what the problem is and how we can resolve it. So I shall try and show you on the shower, particularly where it's leaking. It might be difficult. I'll try and hold the camera and see what we can do. So I'm going to turn the shower on. I don't suppose it really matters. And the leak's on the other side. In fact, you can probably see it. So can you see down this edge here? What's happening is that is literally a hairline crack. And basically the water, in fact you can probably see it a bit closer, the water is dripping out through the shower head. So let's turn that off. Let's let that run down. And then let's see how we can change that. So I'm going to try and best do this without getting in the way. Obviously it's a little bit difficult, but I've got the camera set up on the toilet, so the camera's on the toilet and we're here in the shower cubicle. So I've got my new shower head here. I purchased this from our dealers when we were down there, but you can get them online or from most caravan accessory shops. So we're going to undo it from here. Hopefully all this sort of stuff you should be able to do. Yeah, finger tight. So if we unscrew that from there, let's see if you can see that a bit better. So unscrew that from there. Take the shower head off, and what's just happened there, and you must make sure you put this back on, is as I've basically taken it down, the seal, the rubber seal, has fallen out. So you've got to make sure you've got that rubber seal in there. I don't know whether you can see it. So we'll take the new shower head now. We shall screw that back on. There we go. Again, I'm doing this. I need to be conscious that you can see what I'm doing. Obviously, the bathroom is quite tight. Just while we're down here, actually, I don't know whether you know about this function on your shower heads. So you can actually turn the water on and off, leave the taps on, using this function here. To be honest, I don't know why. It's just as easy just to turn the tap off, but it's there anyway. So tell you what we'll do. Let's put this back up in the caravan. That's nice and tight, or back up in the shower, sorry, and we'll give it a go and see if that's worked. Right, let's turn the water on and see if that's made a difference. So, new shower head, turn the water on. Do you know what, I must have it turned off here because there's nothing happening. So, we seem to have a little bit of a leak around here. But certainly not out the crack, that sort of stuff. Is the leak. Let's see where the leak's coming from. Just out of this joint here, actually. So nothing too much to worry about. I think this just probably needs nipping up, so we'll get that nipped up. Yeah, it seems to be coming out from here, so we'll get that nipped up. But that, I think, is another successful fix. So I'm not going to chuck this in the bin. What I've just discovered is that actually it splits up and we can save this and use this as other spare parts. And the reason the other one was kind of leaking is this here. That actually unscrews, as you can see. So the stop start. So it just needed to tighten that up and reseat the seal on the other one. So that's done. But that's one spare part. You can obviously, well, not obviously, but you can remove this bit as well. Obviously this is the failed bit here, this is the bit that's cracked, but I'm still left you know, with a mixer head, or with a head, so we can keep that there, and this will separate, I think, from there as well. So you can see I've got a bunch of spares here, they've all got seals in, so rather than throwing this away, I'm a bit of a hoarder, as Claire will probably tell you anyway. I'm going to stick this in the shed and we'll keep that for some spares. So another short one for you. Hope you guys have found that useful. These are available from most caravan dealers and accessory shops, that sort of stuff. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description. I'll find one on Amazon, that sort of stuff. If you really need one, you can order it from there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. Please give us a thumbs up because that really does help the channel. Please don't forget also to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified when we put out new videos. So thanks very much again. We'll see you soon.